Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about some problems from exercise 11.5. My dear student, this is your question number 3. This is pick out the solutions from the values given in the bracket next to each question, so that the other values do not satisfy the equation. Suppose this is your question 5m is equal to 60. For this question there are 4 values of m. First value is 10, second 5, third 12 and fourth value is 15. Now in these 4 values only one value is correct and 3 values are wrong. So first we will discuss about which value is correct and which values are wrong by the help of calculation. As you know very well, 5m. What is the meaning of 5m? 5m means 5 multiplied by m. Okay, my dear student, your first value for m is 10. First value for m is equal to 10. Now look here, m is equal to 10. M is equal to 10. So 5m means 5 into 10. It will give to you 50. 5 10 ja 50. And this is 60. Now look here, 50 is not equal to 60. 50 is not equal to 60. Therefore m is not equal to 10. 50 is not equal to 60. Therefore m is not equal to 10. So m is equal to 10 is not the solution of the given equation. Okay, your next value is, as you are looking, your next value is 5. So first we will discuss about m is equal to 5. This value is right or wrong? 5m. 5m means 5 in place of m. What will you write? 5. 5 5 ja 25. And 25 is not equal to 60. Therefore m is not equal to 5. So m is equal to 5 is not the solution. Okay, again your next value is m is equal to 12. We will discuss about 5m. 5m means 5 multiplied by m and value of m is 12. 5 12 ja 60 or 12 5 ja 60. As you know very well, 60 is equal to 60. 60 is equal to 60. Therefore m is equal to 12. So m is equal to 12 is the solution. M is equal to 12 is the solution. Okay, now your next value of m is 15. Next value for m is equal to 15. So 5m is equal to 5 into 15. 15 5 ja 75. 75 is not equal to 60. Therefore m is not equal to 15. So m is equal to 15 is not the solution. Okay, now by the help of this procedure we can find out which value is correct and which values are wrong. Okay, now we will discuss about one more problem. N plus 12 is equal to 20. There are 4 values of n. There are 4 values of n, but in these 4 values only one value is correct and 3 values are wrong. So by the help of calculation we will discuss about which value is correct and which values are wrong. Okay, first value is n is equal to 12. N is equal to 12. So now we will discuss about n plus 12. In place of n we will write here 12. 12 plus 12, it will give to you 24. And 24 is not equal to 20. Therefore n is not equal to 12. So n is equal to 12 is not the solution. Okay, your next value of n is 8. N is equal to 8. So we will discuss about n plus 12 is equal to, in place of n we will write here 8. 8 plus 12, it will give to you 20, and 20 is equal to 20. Therefore n is equal to 8. The meaning is n is equal to 8 is the solution of the given equation. Okay, again we will discuss about for n is equal to 20, n plus 12, it will give to you, n is equal to 20, it will give to you 20 plus 12, it will give to you 32, and 32 is not equal to 20. Therefore n is not equal to 20. So my dear student, n is equal to 20 is not the solution. Okay, again we will discuss about for n is equal to 0. As you know very well, question is n plus 12. In place of n you will write there 0. 0 plus 12, it will give to you 12, and 12 is not equal to 20. 12 is not equal to 20. Therefore n is not equal to 0. N is not equal to 0. So n is equal to 0 is not the solution. N is equal to 0 is not the solution of the given equation. Okay, again my dear student, we will discuss about one more problem. This is p minus 5 is equal to 5. P minus 5 is equal to 5. There are 4 values of p. In these 4 values, only 3 values are wrong and 1 value is correct. So first we will discuss about p is equal to 0. P is equal to 0. P minus 5 is equal to, in place of p we will write here 0. 0 minus 5, it will give to you minus 5. Okay, and minus 5 is not equal to 5. Minus 5 is not equal to 5. Therefore p is not equal to 0. Okay, so p is equal to 0 is not the solution. Okay, again your next value for p is 10. So p is equal to 10. P minus 5 is equal to, in place of p we will write here 10. 10 minus 5, it will give to you 5, and 5 is equal to 5. So p is equal to 10. P is equal to 10 is the solution. P equal to 10 is the solution of the given equation. Okay, again your next value of p is 5. P is equal to 5. P minus 5, it will give to you, in place of p we will write here 5. 5 minus 5, it will give to you 0, and 0 is not equal to 5. Therefore p is not equal to 5. So p is equal to 5 is not the solution. Okay, again p is equal to minus 5. We will check p is equal to minus 5 for this question, right or wrong. So p minus 5 means, in place of p we will write here minus 5. Minus 5 minus 5, it will give to you minus 10, and minus 10 is not equal to 5. Minus 10 is not equal to 5. Therefore p is not equal to minus 5. P is not equal to minus 5. Therefore p is equal to minus 5 is not the solution. P equal to minus 5 is not the solution. Okay, now let us we will discuss about one more problem. Question number D. Q upon 2 is equal to 7. There are 4 values of Q. In these 4 values, only one value is correct and other three values are wrong. So by the help of calculation, we will discuss about which value is correct and which values are wrong. Okay, your first value is q is equal to 7. So q upon 2 means in place of q we will write here 7 and 7 upon 2. It is clear that 7 upon 2 is not equal to 7. 7 upon 2 is not equal to 7. Therefore, q is not equal to 7. Therefore, q is equal to 7 is not the solution. Q equal to 7 is not the solution. Okay. Again, we will discuss about q is equal to 2. Q is equal to 2. So, value of q upon 2 will be, in place of q, we will write here 2. 2 upon 2 is equal to 1. According to calculation, 1 is not equal to 7. Therefore, q is not equal to 2. So, q is equal to 2 is not the solution. Okay. Again, we will discuss about, for q is equal to 10, we will find out the value of q upon 2 is equal to, in place of q, we will write here 10. 10 upon 2, it will give to you 5. 10 upon 2, it will give to you 5. And 5 is not equal to 7. Therefore, q is not equal to 10. Therefore, q is equal to 10 is not the solution of the given equation. Okay. Again, we will discuss about, for q is equal to 14. We will find out the value of q upon 2. Q upon 2 means, in place of q, we will write here 14. 14 upon 2, it will give to you 7. 14 upon 2, it will give to you 7. And 7 is equal to 7. Therefore, q is equal to 14. The meaning is q is equal to 14. Q is equal to 14 is the solution of the given equation. Okay. So, my dear student, by the help of calculation, we can find out which values are correct and which values are wrong. Okay. My dear student, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. I hope that all these questions very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.